Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into HHL Leipzig Graduate School of Management as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar we're going to be typing in HHL Intranet Login. That is HHL Intranet Login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link, tap on accept all cookies, tap on the three-line menu and then hit login, after which you can scroll down and then tap on intranet for now. Tap on HHL Intranet, tap on HHL Intranet. Here, if you're already logged in with a Microsoft account, hit use another. Hit use another account and then enter your email, hit next and enter your password to log into your account. Similarly, you can also log into all the other web apps available to you with the same credentials. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.